So I've received a few requests to demonstrate how to make a simple HTML file. So I'm going to do that here. Let's start by, I'm going to create a notepad file. So we'll come here and we'll say notepad. And I'm going to make this nice and big so everybody can see it. And let's just start with the basics. We're going to start with a doc type declaration. And I'm not going to do all of the HTML because it could take a long time. But I'm going to just do the basic structure so that you can see what we're doing and understand how this all works. So I'm just putting in some of the basic stuff here. Get a title, and if I make mistakes because I'm doing this quickly, I'll just fix them so you get a sense of what that process looks like. And I'm typing this live without much rehearsal, so just to give you a sense. So I'm going to put in a heading just so we know that this page is working. And I'm going to save this right onto my desktop. And I'm going to save it with my name. And notice I'm putting that in double quotes so that it knows to save it as an HTML file. And now we can see that HTML file there, and if I double click, it should open that file in Explorer, or, well, Firefox, I guess. Okay, and I don't really care. So you can see that this created the file, okay, and you can see the location there, and that's all happening the way it should. So now what I want to do is just make a couple of additions so that people understand how this all works. So what I'm going to do now is put in just sort of a picture. And in this case, I have a picture on the desktop that I've called Alt-Tab, just so you get a sense of what that looks like. It's a silly picture that I used just for, things that I was doing. But just to show you how this works, I'm going to put that file in there. So I'm going to just move this, okay, so that I want this HTML file to reference this picture. And that is a JPEG file. So I am going to say IMG, and the source of the IMG image is alt-tab.jpg. And there are a few things that can happen if this doesn't work all at once. I'm not going to panic because we can always go in and fix it. If I've done everything correctly at this point, when I refresh it, it will show up, and you can see that I have. So this image is the one that's on the desktop that's right there. So that's pretty much it. That's a simple website that you put on your page. Just to give you one last little example, let's say that I want to just do one more update to it so we can really make sure that it's working. I can say something like H2, another test, and H2, and I'm going to save that. And now by just refreshing Firefox, we can see that it puts it in there. So I hope that helps everybody, and good luck with it.